Hey y'all, tonight I'm making a really quick meal. I have shrimp here. This is the jumbo shrimp, and this is 2 pound. It's a 16-20 count. Got them for $11.98 from Albertsons. They were already peeled and deveined. I took the tail off. Also for this recipe, I have a stick. I like to get mine in half. So like if you need a fourth, they already proportion out for you. So I like to buy these. And y'all, I got these when they were on sale at Kroger. $2.49 I think they were. And I got Cajun Etouffee base. I got the Louisiana kind. And I also got the Mam Papaul. This is the kind of gumbo mix I like to use as well. Okay, so that's, and I'm using like 2 tablespoons of seasoning blend because this already has seasonings in it, but I wanted to add, I like to add seasoning blend to mine as well. Okay, so over here in the pot, I already started the seasoning blend because it's not something that they added to. Well, they already have dehydrated vegetables in here. So, but I wanted to have, I like to put my own fresh vegetables in my dishes like this. So I went ahead and used, I think it's maybe what, 2.5 tablespoons or maybe 3 of seasoning blend. And so you melt your butter in a skillet. So I'm going to add the milk. I'm going to melt the butter along with the seasoning because I want it to be all the way done. This doesn't take but like, you saute the butter along with the packet. No, I'm sorry. You saute the butter and then you melt the butter, then you add the shrimp. Saute it for 5 minutes. Then you add the packs and the water. And you bring it to a boil, reduce and heat, and simmer for 15 minutes and it's done. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and do that. Put that in there first. So once the butter melts, we'll come back to the next step. Okay, as you can see, the butter has melted. And a lot of people peek, yeah, these are Magnolite pots. These pots are probably, well, I know they're about, about 30 years old. So here are my shrimp. They said to saute them for 5 minutes. And it's the 16-20. They were $5.99 a pound when I got them. So we're going to saute these. Remember, it's supposed to be just with butter, but I added the seasoning blend just because I like to. Remember I told y'all every time I fix something, I start off sauteing vegetables. It just make it have that slow cooked flavor, even though it's something that you use out of the box. Listen, I have made etouffee from scratch. I have used another recipe I had where you just use cream of mushroom and cream of celery, I think it is. I haven't made it like that in a long time. So we're going to saute this for 5 minutes. We're going to come back and add the seasoning packets. Again, Mam Papaul's etouffee mix and the Louisiana. Okay, so we're going to add those 2 together. And each one of them, one calls for 2 cups of water, and the other one calls for 1.5 cups. So we need 3.5 cups of water. I'll be back when we get ready to add everything together, okay? Okay, y'all, so it's been 5 minutes. So I'm going to add my seasonings. All of it, y'all know I don't like to leave nothing. And my water. That's 1 seasoning pack. That's the Louisiana. And the Mam Papaul is a more darker, richer look. And see, it has dehydrated vegetables in it. And so all you do is let this come to a boil. Reduce the heat to low. And cook it for 15 minutes. And it's done. That's your shrimp or crawfish etouffee. That is it. So y'all, I'm gonna come back when this is done. Okay, y'all, so here it is, completed. This is what it looks like. Now, it's not as thick as I would like it, but I mean, you put it over rice. So you just put as much of the liquid as you want. I'm trying to come back, my camera's trying to die, I'll come back.